everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, since it's a festive time and I really love decorating my house, I have a fun and interesting home decor haul for you guys. So in this haul, I will be showing products I purchased from IKEA. These are some extremely affordable products and you can find them on the app or the website. I will leave links to each product in the description box, so do not forget to check that out, and also hit the subscribe button and like button. Share this video with your friends. So let's just get started with this video. So the first product I got is this chrome finished vase. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's like a really nice silver color and inside it's like golden. So it looks really royal and amazing. You can add some fresh flowers in this, or you can use some artificial flowers also to style this vase, and it will add some really amazing look to your home decor, and you will also feel really royal when you use this as your home decor. So I will also do a really nice home decor themed video so that you can also decorate your home for the festivities, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for that. Also comment below when do you want to see the home decor video. So this was my first purchase. The second vase I got from them was this. This is a really nice circular dome sort of a vase. As you can see, it's a small vase and you can add flowers to this. So I've added like a orchid stalk with it. And you can see that, these kind of vases add a little something to your pouring corners, and they make a really amazing background too. So you can also style this without any flowers, and you can see how beautiful it looks without any flowers as well. So this was the second purchase. So my third purchase were candles. Since it's Diwali, we all love lighting candles in our houses. And I got 2 candles. So scented candles are really essential for your household, because they not only look really stylish and chic, but they also give a really nice aroma to your house, and it's really cool for the ambience. So the first candle is this one. You can see this, and this is like a strong candle, so this will last you for a good 1 to 2 hours. The fragrance is absolutely stunning, and I'll be leaving links to each candles below. The second one is more on the tropical side. This has notes of lemon. So yeah, these were the 2 candles I got. So the other product I got is this lantern. This is a really nice white lantern, and you can style this in different ways. You can take those small tea light candles and put it inside. What I have done is that I've taken a really nice light and I've added it inside it. This is what it looks like with the lights. These are really nice battery operated rice lights, and you can intensify the lights in your particular lantern, and this is what the lantern looks like. It also comes with a hanger on top, so you can tie this up and hang this as well. It will look really nice because this one is a neutral color, and these sort of colors go with the colors of your house because they blend in very easily. So this was my other purchase. So the next purchase was this gold lantern. I extremely like the color gold for Diwali because it gives a really nice luxurious feel to your home, and it's like a really nice festive color as well. So I got this cage sort of lantern, and inside I've styled it with a pre-existing tea light holder, and I've added some flowers, so you can see how it looks like. You can hang this as well, and the metal, this is actually a metal lantern, and you can style it in different ways. You can also add like a huge candle on the center and light it up for a really nice look. But this is how I have styled it. So what's Diwali without some cleaning? So to organize and clean my stuff, I have purchased these organizers. So these come in very handy when you are shifting stuff from one place to another, and also they help in organizing your stuff really neatly. This one is a white color and it has like a fabric lining on the outside, which makes it a little more nice. And when you put your stuff in this, it looks really neat, and you can organize all your stuff in this pretty well. So yeah, this is what the other thing I got. So the next home decor kind of thing I picked up was this lamp. This is a really nice classic lamp, and you can put it on your table side and it looks really nice and chic. So I'll just light it and show you. So this is how the lamp looks like. It's so royal and I really love the build of it, and you can style it in different ways. You can also use this as a light in your home corner and it will look really nice. So another home decor piece I picked up was this huge lamp. So I will be adding pictures of that. So that lamp is actually almost 5 feet and it adds a really nice posh look to your house. It's a really good quality lamp and I personally like to use it in the hall. So you can change the bulbs as per your preference, and I really like cool tone lights, so I have attached a cool tone light to it, and the lamp was super easy to build and it looks really amazing. So I also got this plastic organizer. This is a really sturdy organizer and it's really good to hold your products, and this comes in really handy during Diwali, because this is a really nice thing to display on your vanity as well, and the sizing is quite good, so I will highly recommend it as well. The second product are these bowls. So basically these are really wide bowls and these are a set of 2. So they come in really handy while serving your guests, and I really love the quality of these bowls. So these are particularly a grey tone teal color, and these will actually match with most of your cookware and also your servingware. So I chose this particular color. It's a really good dish to use daily as well, and it also comes in handy while serving your guests. So these were some of my picks from IKEA this festive season. Do comment below and let me know which was your favorite, and I shall be back with some really fun videos for you guys. Till then, take care. Bye.